Okay, so this is a video on how I do my wrap and how I knit. Grammy Knitterbug, this is for you since you asked for this. So I do kind of a hybrid style of what's called lever knitting or Irish cottage knitting. And so I hold my needle like a pencil. So I don't know if you can kind of see like this. So the back part of my needle is resting kind of here on my thumb, and then I hold it with my two fingers. So I'm kind of in the shape of an OK sign when I'm knitting, like this. And then my needles, this one is horizontal. The right needle is horizontal, straight out from my body, and the left needle is vertical, straight up and down. So they make a T when they touch. And so the motion of the knitting for me is when I'm knitting, I go into the stitch this way, wrap, and then drop the stitch. So how I wrap is yarn off to the right here. I go between these two fingers, wrap around my middle finger, and go behind my ring finger, and then I turn my hand and I hold my needle like the OK sign. So I'm feeling the tension on this finger here. That's really kind of the way I control my tension, and it's just loosely wrapped here, and then it just pulls across my hand as I knit. So I'll do a few knit stitches here. So I have straight out in front of me, and I go into the stitch this way, and then I completely let go of the right needle to do my wrap. I kind of pinch them here. So I'll pinch, I let go, and I just lightly move my hand forward to wrap. See? And because I'm kind of holding the tension here, I've got a lot of control over my working yarn. So I wrap, and then I bring the left needle around and then down. So into the stitch, wrap, around, down. I'm kind of pushing my stitches up on the left needle as I work, and I'm kind of bringing them back with this finger a little bit. So it kind of all happens at once, but it's basically pushing the stitches up off this needle onto this one and back. Again, let me show you the wrap again. In between these two fingers, around this one and behind my ring finger, and then I just turn my hand and I grab it like the OK sign. Go in, and then I pinch right here to hold it, let go completely with my right hand, bring my hand around, and down. And to purl, it's the same thing. The only difference is I move the yarn to the front of the right needle first. So if I were going to purl, I would just bring the yarn around to the front, go into the front of the stitch, wrap, and then bring that left needle around and down. So again, a purl is going to the front of the stitch this way, let go with my right hand, wrap, and then the left needle comes around and down. And then I just move my yarn back to knit. So that's how I do it, and it's really great for my joints, so I think you'll really like it. Good luck!